So firstly, congratulations to both of you. हमने ट्रेलर देखी थी और काफ़ी टाइम से सॉन्ग का वेट कर रहे थे और फाइनली आज बाहर आया और बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस मिल रहा है काफ़ी कम वक्त में, तो इस बारे में आपका क्या कहना है?
फील ब्लेस्ड डेफिनेटली जब ऐसा सुनने मिलता है और एक प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर आपने काम किया है और आप वेट कर रहे थे रिलीज़ होने का जो फाइनली रिलीज़ हो चुका है एंड या आई थिंक द लव दैट वी आर गेटिंग फ्रॉम एवरीबडी आउटसाइड इट्स सो ओवरवेलमिंग एंड I personally feel that I'm super blessed.
Yeah, I'm glad. I'm glad you feel that way. And first of all, I'm amazed at looking at your expression. You're so excited, and I'm so glad that you're excited looking at our song. It's a privilege that you like it. Everybody here who are there, they're blessing us. It's a very special day for me because it's my mom's birthday, and we chose this specifically कि इस day पे अगर release हो जाए तो खुदा भी कुछ करेगा, तो दुआएं दे देगा. So I'm glad, like I said before, I'm very happy that Daisy has been so big-hearted to be part of this song and work with me, work with my mom, work with all of us. And she's feeling blessed. I'm feeling extremely blessed, and I hope that this converts into a success of our song.
सो अभी सॉन्ग आई है तो कितने सारे फैमिली फ्रेंड्स कितने लोगों ने आपको विशेस मैसेजेस
सुबह से फ़ोन चल रहे हैं Gujju family, you know how it is. So I've been getting calls from my cousins, my mama, my masi, everybody who's right now in Gujarat for a family function.
So together, all of them are together.
All of them, मेरा पूरा खानदान एक साथ मतलब अभी जमा हुआ पड़ा है. But yeah, family के phones आ रहे हैं, friends के phones आ रहे हैं. So ये चीज़ से तो मैं गेज कर सकती हूँ कि बाहर लोगों को भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है गाना.
What your take on that? आपको कितने कॉल और मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं सुबह से?
I mean, mostly I'm getting a lot of messages because people are messaging me because they're from the US, from Dubai, from all over India, and it's picking up. People are responding. They said they only say one thing. First, they say कि this when we heard it, we loved the lyrics of the song, and secondly, they said that the locations that you guys shot at. Location तो कुछ था नहीं मुंबई में ही था, but anyway, it looks really great and they loved, like I was telling Daisy, they loved Daisy. They said that Daisy looks so young and you guys suit each other. I said thank God. इतनी मेहनत के बाद आपने बोला नहीं सूटा था तो भाई. So I'm so glad that everybody's, and these are family, these are friends, these are acquaintances, these are people that I have met only once who we have just shared numbers with. वो लोग उन्होंने भी call किया, उन्होंने भी message किया, and they are sharing it. आजकल Instagram पे बहुत है, so they're sharing it, they're putting all these links up, and I'm very blessed. Thank God.
So Daisy, हमने जब आपको देखा तो लगता है there is a lots of dancing, but ये वीडियो में नहीं है, तो कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है ऐसा कुछ करने के लिए?
देखो, लोग जानते हैं कि मैं डांस कर सकती हूँ, लोगों को ये नहीं पता मैं रोमांस भी कर सकती हूँ, तो इसके अंदर हमने ये दिखाया कि मैं रोमांस भी कर सकती हूँ.
No, I mean, come on, how can she not do romance? I mean, come on, you can look at her, right? No, she's just being humble. I feel that this song required more of her acting, more of her. Even when she comes as a step, it's technically it's shown like it's maybe his imagination until then they actually get back together. So I feel that even the small steps that she did, she does it so well that you don't need to really do moves to know that she got the groove.
He himself is a very good dancer.
No, but she's got the groove, right? I mean, we're all learning, we're all growing, and I have seen her dance. Recently I did a song with somebody who used to be her your Dave.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We used to assist together.
Assist, right? So look at her journey, man. She's killed it. She's killing it. And I hope that this small song of ours can go big time. And I would love to do a film with her next. That's my next goal. Do film with her.
It seems that you guys enjoyed during the set. Anything you want to share that you enjoyed, like any moment while shooting?
Apart from the garmi, because we shot it in like April.
Yeah, March. Yeah, I think around April.
Yeah.
April. We shot it in April.
Scorching heat.
Scorching heat, yes. For me, I guess what I remember is.
And मतलब इनको ना बड़े-बड़े jackets, इतने जाड़े jackets दिए थे. And he had to dance like if you can see the song, मतलब he's actually dancing throughout. So yeah. That was the thing, and luckily, girls get away with these flowy dresses and short dresses, and also that's good for us.
Also, I feel that, like she said, this is not getting away. She had to sit there, and of course, it was very, very hot. But she's been a complete sport, And I mean, I'm used to the heat. I'm from Dubai.
Sorry to cut you there.
No, no,
but
please go ahead.
generally, I don't really. जब मेरा काम नहीं होता मैं जाके वैन में बैठ जाती हूँ. But particularly for this song, जब ताहा का action चल रहा था मैं set पर ही बैठी थी. I don't know. I was just enjoying it.
I do. She's an action person, no? So जब वो देखती है, then she was like, I'm gonna do that. I'm sure that she was like, मैं करूँगी ये, and I'm sure she will. She's a hard worker. Some of her trainers and my trainers are the same. So I know she's got it, and I know that she'll definitely kick ass in an action movie. तब जब करेंगे तो साथ में action film करेंगे, inshallah. So I know it's a great fun. Other than that, I remember I remember us doing the what's that, waltz? The waltz,
whatever, something.
yeah, the waltz, the jaya that we were doing together. I remember that her dress was getting stuck in my thing, or her turns. You know, we wouldn't be able, because we had to match the camera and we had to do the exact steps. So I feel that I remember that exactly in my head right now. And I do remember she stayed on set for my whole action scene the whole time, and that went on for an hour and a half to
2 a.m. in the night.
Yeah, she was sitting there, she watched it, and then she went, and then we shot some more photos, and she was completely sporty, and I'm very, very happy. Thank you.
So the lyrics say एक बारी यार तेरे डैडी को करूँ ना handle. So how this lyrics connected to your life and
No, dude. I can tell you. I mean, I can tell you about my stories. You tell first.
I really don't have any.
You don't have stories?
No. I think if it was my sister, she would have given a better story, because yes, my dad was like, when she was dating somebody in her college, and my dad was like, who the hell is that guy? I don't want you to see. I don't want him to see with you. And this, so yeah, my sister has better stories than me when it comes to, you know, these affairs and love, because I've always been a workaholic. I've been working since I was 14 years old. So I think my relationship with my work is more intense and serious than having boyfriends in my life. Yeah.
what about you, sir? You have any stories?
I was a lover boy, man.
किसी की डैडी को आपने handle किया?
अरे नहीं उन्होंने मुझे handle कर लिया जरूर. Well, I had a Pathan girlfriend, right? And she was from Pakistan. I live in Dubai, right? So, and she was so pretty, right? And her father found out because the principal told her. And then he came to my house. He spoke to my mom, and he's like, if I see your son next to my daughter again, I will break his legs. I was then after that I became a bit more stealthy, you know. But I didn't leave her. Because I was in love with her at that time. So that time I really tried to convince her father, you know, be the good guy, be nice guy. But then he was just like, no. So it never worked out. But yeah, a long time back.
So apart from this song, कोई next project के लिए आप फिर से साथ में आने वाले हो?
I hope so.
Hey man.
I hope so. Not together, but she's got a great project coming up. Couple of projects maybe.
I've got a film that I'm shooting for right now. It's called Mystery of Tattoo. And thank you, Taha, for saying that. But he himself is shooting for a film and a series.
Yeah, I am shooting. I'm actually, like, you know, people remember me from Love Ka The End, and after this series, they're gonna remember me from this series. You know, it's been 10 years, and I really needed this, and I'm really grateful to God that I have got such an opportunity, because So they signed somebody for that role, and then my audition went in, and then they selected me.
Oh, it was meant to be
So
there.
yeah, exactly, right. It was something. It was God, right? So I am really looking forward to that. I can't really tell the name, but it's a historic, and it's going to be great.
Any genre, something.
Yeah, genre historic.
Period.
So Mughal times.
आपकी पिक्चर कभी आने वाली है?
Next year, क्योंकि अभी दिसंबर में last schedule shoot होना है.
और कैसी होने वाली है?
It's a murder mystery and can't reveal much because it's a mystery.
I'm looking forward to that film. I love murder mysteries. Which was the new one? That one which came with this 007 guy. Remember that
Red
one?
Notice.
No.
No.
Dwayne Johnson. No, there was a great film. I love murder mysteries. I'm definitely looking forward to watching her kill it. I mean, not literally kill it. Like, I don't know who you're killing in the film. But her performance.
Kill him with kindness.
So she's going to knock the performance out, and I'm looking forward to watching it. Hopefully in cinemas. Yeah, cinemas. Yeah, great. Cinemas.
And lastly, दो line हो जाएगा नहीं कि even if you want you can.
I'll hum.
You hum? Okay, fine. Let's go. We go for the hook line. एक बार कह दे तू हाँ तेरे डैडी नू मैं कर लांगा हैंडल एक बार कह दे तू हाँ तेरे डैडी नू मैं कर लांगा हैंडल alright
Thank you so much.
thank you
कैंडल किधर है? लगाया क्यों नहीं?
लगाया जलाना
जलाओ।
Sir, hi.
अरे माचिस लाइटर है किसके पास?
All right, okay, come on, here we go. Make a wish.
I wish and then this song goes up sky high. That's it. Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mama. Happy birthday to you. She needs sugar. You can feed her first. She has low BP.
How it come out? Yes. I have to give you first. Good luck.
It has to go to the
Good luck.
Definitely.
Good luck. This side one.
You don't like this partner?
It's okay. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you. Thank you.